In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add authorized users to your eBay account with multi-user access. This is a fantastic way to share account management responsibilities, especially if you're running a store or collaborating with a team. Let's dive right in and explore this process together. First things first, head over to ebay.com and sign into your account using your credentials. It's important to be logged in so that you have access to all the features and settings we'll be working with. Once you are in, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your name displayed there. Simply hover your mouse over your name and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Account Settings. This section is where you can fine-tune various aspects of your eBay experience. Within the account settings, you'll find a category called Account Preferences. This is where you're going to navigate next. Look for the option labeled Permissions and give it a click. This page is specifically dedicated to managing user access and settings for your account. Now that you're in the permissions area, you'll want to locate the section titled Authorized Users. Over on the right hand side, there's an Add User button. Clicking this will initiate the process for adding a new person to your account. You will now need to provide some basic information about the person you wish to authorize. Go ahead and fill in their first name, last name, and email address. It's crucial to ensure the email address is accurate because this is how they'll receive the invitation to join your account. The next step involves setting permissions, and this is where you get to decide what aspects of your account the new user will have access to. eBay offers a range of permissions you can assign, such as allowing the user to create and edit listing drafts, publish and revise listings, view orders, download order reports, add tracking numbers, or even print shipping labels. Choose wisely based on the level of access and responsibility you want to grant. Once you've selected the appropriate permissions, you can go ahead and click the Add User button to send out the invitation. This will trigger an email to be sent to the person you're adding, containing a link to accept your invitation. Upon receiving the invitation, the invited user needs to open the email and follow the link provided. They must log into their own eBay account, or create one if they don't already have one, to join your account as an authorized user. Once they're in, they'll be able to use the permissions you've granted to contribute effectively to managing your eBay activities. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add authorized users to your eBay account, helping you manage and grow your online business smoothly and efficiently.